Okay, check AI, the software with almost everything all together in one, whether it's automations, marketing, a CRM, a chatbot, anything, you can do that all in this one software. And so once you start your free trial, once you actually get in, on the left side, you're going to see a bunch of these different options. So this is where all of the like different things you can do are. There's conversations, you can see all your contact, like the emails that you collect, you can build websites. There's so much, but I'm going to go over everything. So you're going to start in the dashboard. This is where you're going to see the opportunity status, conversion rate, all the information about how your business is doing so far. And so, yeah, you're going to see how your funnel is doing, everything like that. And I probably don't want to scroll down just in case I leak some information. But yeah, so this is where you're going to see all of that. And then in the next one under dashboard, you're going to see conversations. So I have to blur this out too, maybe. But this is where you're going to see like all the conversations you're having with your, whether it's your clients or maybe just people that you actually talk to. So you can put all your social medias into this one software, and you can all manage all the conversations in this one place. So it's like it's a master inbox. That's what I like to call it. And so yeah, you can manage all your conversations here, and you can even like have like trigger links. So let's say you have a link in your newsletter or like your email or like your SMS message. If people click it, then you actually get like an alert. Well, you can make it so you get an alert, and you also can analyze it to see how many people are clicking it and what the performance is on that. And then next you have calendars. This is where you're going to have, all your appointments, and you can see all the appointments here. And then the calendar, you can just put anything, to be honest. You can have the appointments, or you can just add your own events, whatever you want. Then under that, we have contacts. This is where you're going to have all the emails, the phone numbers, and the names of all the clients that you have, all the contact information that you collected. And so you can also separate people here with tags. This is where it gets interesting, because with tags, you can target specific people. It's like customer segmentation for targeted marketing, basically. And so yeah, this is where you do that. You'd give everyone a different tag based off a certain action they took, or maybe if they're like they work for you, or if they're clients, something like that. In here, you can just give people tasks, or you can manage your list of people with tags and their names, all that. Then the opportunities. This is where you can have your funnel actually like being built. So let's say someone signs up for, let's say, a lead form. Let's say you have a lead form. You're doing real estate. You have a lead form. Someone signs up for it. They get put right into here, and depending on how much that lead might be worth, you can add a price on that, and you can just have all their names here. You can have if they booked an appointment, and you could just basically have like what stage in the funnel they're in. So yeah, this is pretty interesting. This is what we call a pipeline. And then under that, we have payments. This is where you're going to manage all of your invoices for your business, whether you're collecting money from people that are paying you for your service or anything like that. You're paying workers for you, maybe. You can deal with all of that here. And you can even have coupons or like add products here if you're having like a store, like when you build a website. Marketing. So this is where under this line right here, this is where I think it gets interesting. So this is probably my favorite part under this line right here. So this is the social planner. This is like social media management, basically. You add all of your accounts here if you want, and you can manage all of the accounts from here. Even your Google My Business, you can do that from here too. And in the emails, you have email campaigns that you can do. There's a bunch of different templates. Let me show you. Maybe not here. Where is it? Yeah, campaign templates, and there's so many different templates you can choose from. Let me do here. And yeah, it may look weird in the recording, but there's so many different templates you can choose from. I think there's over like 300 templates that you can choose from here. So yeah, there's so many of those. Yeah, there's trigger links again here too. And you can also do SMS, which would be here too. Add text. And yeah, so SMS would be right here. You can even have like affiliates like for your company or your business, and you can start a campaign. You can start how the payout's going to be and all of that. Under that, we have automation. This is where you build custom workflows. So I'm going to go into it really quickly. Actually, I'll just do the recipe. You can see there's a bunch of different automations you can do that are actually already pre-built for you. And so yeah, for example, there's Facebook comment automation. So if someone comments on your Facebook post or your Instagram post, then they're going to actually get like an immediate DM to their account. So there's that. There's an appointment booking. You can actually set that up for a chatbot as well. And yeah, and then there's content AI. This is where you can actually have AI help you generate content, whether it's for like an ad copy or something like that. If you use content AI, it'll help with that. Under that, we have sites. So this is where you can build funnels and actually generate leads. So you can build your funnel here. Like this would be like a lead page, let's say. This would be like a landing page, for example. It'd be right here. And then the websites, you can actually build a website here, and there's many different templates here as well. Whether it's for dry cleaning, maybe a church or like a barbershop, you can do all of that here. And you can even deal with blogs. You can have a WordPress plugin into here as well. And you're probably wondering about the chatbot. Let me show you right here. This is where you build a standard chatbot. And if you ever want to maybe give it to someone, maybe you're selling it, a chatbot to somebody, you can always at the bottom right press get code, and they can always embed it into their site. Or if you want to build like a special type of chatbot that can actually like scrape websites and all of that, you can press settings, then press conversational AI, and then that's where you can do it all here. So yeah, this is where it gets really interesting. I might need to make a separate video on that, but this is where you can build like that custom chatbot that can do pretty much almost everything. Okay, under sites with memberships, this is where if you want to build a community or courses maybe. So it's like your own little online community. Reputation, this is where you can get your Google reviews and see how everything's doing. You can even add EX to your account, which would help with SEO. And yeah, you can manage all your reviews from here. And under that, we have reporting. So this is going to be the reporting for pretty much all of your analytics. So like, let's say for Google ads or Facebook ads, well, let's say, your appointment bookings. If you want to see how many appointments you're booking so far, the outcome of it, how many people canceled, how many people showed up, how many people didn't show up. And yeah, so this is where you'd see all of that. Under that, we have the app marketplace. If you want to add any different like plugins, you can do that here. Any different apps that you want to add. I know Lead Connector is a really good one. That's one I use all the time. And then under that, the last one is mobile app. And you can actually white label this software and you can actually resell it to other people if you want. Or if you don't want to and you just want to make an app, you can do that too. It's going to cost a premium, but if you need any help with that, you can just reach out to me or contact us via email. So yeah, that's all software. It's pretty cool. It's like everything all in one. So I strongly encourage you guys to try it out. I mean, it's free for 7 days. Why not give it a try? And if you message me the word Loom, I can actually give you 50% off your first month with us. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you and check it out.